Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.